A lot of companies are using Beekeeper to improve the safety of their workplaces. Leaders like Cargill, Mandarin Oriental Hotels, and Built, the makers of Built Bar. I'm Logan from Beekeeper, and I want to quickly show you how they're doing it and how you can do it too. They take a 4-step approach to safety: training, accident prevention, accident reporting, and analysis. Let's start with training. You can easily enroll your workforce in safety training programs built directly in Beekeeper or linked to your LMS. You can share videos, SOPs, and send out safety reminders, all in a centralized platform that connects your frontline workforce with the rest of your company. The next is accident prevention. You can do this through safety observation programs, near-miss reporting, and pre-shift checklists, like employee health screens and food sanitation checks. Best part, all reports, documentation, and notes can easily be shared with the rest of your company and filed away in a document folder for compliance and safekeeping. Now, accidents do occur. You need to have a process in place to understand why they occur and prevent them from happening again. You can easily report accidents within Beekeeper. Notifications and documentation automatically get sent to the right people for follow-up. In order to keep your workplace safe, you can track the improvements of your safety program through our analytics. Let's work together to strengthen your safety culture. Schedule a demo to see how.